Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and this is my life in the village, in an African village. So today we came to the farm. I traveled back to my village. So right now I'm in my village. So I'll be sharing some clips and some videos doing different things in the village. Katondu, kama giom, yombala pasi gyo va chinko viomo, va tondo kwala. So the main aim of us coming to farm today was to harvest cassava. We came and we did that. I actually did not film that part. I did not film that one. So after the cassava part, I decided to go back and pluck oranges. So towards this side, I'm pointing my phone. I'm actually videoing, and we are sharing boundary here with Cross River people. We call them Udam people. So we are sharing boundary towards that side with them. It's not far from here. It's just something tricky. We can just trek. And you're already in Cross River. So I was going with my kid sister to go and pluck oranges. And they're really, really sweet, you guys. The oranges are much. One thing about this village is that almost everybody have orange, almost everybody have an orchard. So this is just small of it. My dad also have like an orchard, a small orchard, but it's from the other parts. I just didn't want to go towards that side. So we came to pluck oranges and they are really, really, really sweet, you guys. And I just love this particular tree, this one. I tasted it and it was really sweet. So I came to plug again and I was doing my Batwoman. I was showing my Batwoman skills. I wanted to climb the tree myself and plug it because my sister got some and it was not much. So I wanted to help her out. And I was plugging them. And there is one thing again, from my local government, from my side, because almost everybody have oranges, they actually transport it to different places like Kano, to all these industries that process, because we don't have those here. So, and now the buyers are not even coming to buy from them. So the oranges, most of them are spoiling. So the best you can do is to drink it. They can't even finish drinking it. Most of them will end up just wasting and spoiling. But I hope those people come soon. Even if they come, like you guys, it's really cheap. A very big sack, big bag, 2,000. The last time I told you guys, I think it was 1,000. But after that period, the thing shoots. They actually sold even 20 something thousand, and then all of a sudden it dropped down to 2,000. Like, can you imagine that? So let's just drink it. That's just it. Even if you drink it, it's still not finished, it's still there. So yeah, I was just plugging to take home and just take.
Você arranha gunja panga.
So I'm actually done. So we are going back now. So he was complaining it's not much. I said I don't have strength to carry it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.